So, tapos na tayo ng composite na line, composite na area, and then non-composite na area, and then proceed tayo sa non-composite na line. No? So, we have determined the location of the centroid of a circular arc shown. So, we have a line here or a wire that is in a shape of a circular arc. Yung hinahanap niya dito is the location of the centroid. Kung titingnan mo dito, meron ba siyang axis of symmetry? Meron. So therefore, yung centroid natin is located along this line. No? So somewhere dito. So therefore, ano yan? We have x bar, no? Yung x bar natin, tama ba? Ay, y bar pala. Yung y bar natin dito is automatic, ano yung value? 0. No? So 0. So yung hahanapan na lang natin dito is yung x bar. Okay? So ayan. Now, to get x bar, ano ulit yung formula? X bar is just integral of xd. Since line tayo, we have L here. Over L. Okay? So, ayan lang. Now, recall. Paano natin makukuha yung length of arc? No? Ano yung formula ng length of arc? Ma-recall nyo sa geometry. That is just wala kayong ma-recall? That is just r theta. Di ba? Radius times the angle. R theta lang. No? So, length of arc is just r theta. So, if i-derivative natin to both sides, ayan, d r theta, this is equal to r d theta plus theta dr. Tama? Now, kung titingnan mo dito, yung r natin dito is constant. No? So, ano yung derivative ng constant? 0. So, yung r natin is constant. Derivative ng constant, 0. So, magiging 0 to. Tama? So, therefore, yung dl natin is just r d theta. No? So, ayan. So, pwede natin yan i-substitute dito. R d theta. Okay? So, ayan lang. Now, to get our L, paano natin makukuha yung L? So, yung L natin is just integral of dl, which is just integral of r d theta. So, r natin is constant, and then we have d theta, no? So, pwede natin ito mapalabas yung r, kasi constant yan, di ba? R. So, ano yung integral ng d theta? We have theta. So, we have, this is equal to r theta evaluated from, ano yung angle? Negative alpha to alpha. So we have negative alpha to alpha. So we have here r times alpha minus negative alpha, which is 2r alpha. Tama? So this is now our L. No? So we have our dl, we have our L. Ano pa yung kulang? Yung numerator na lang. No? So, isolve natin yung numerator. We have, sana lang, dito na lang. Integral of x dl is equal to, ma-integrate ba natin to? Hindi, no? Kasi dalawa yung variable natin. So, dapat pag-isahin lang natin yung variable. Now, ano yung dl natin? dl natin is r d theta. Tama? Now, yung r natin is constant. Pwede natin mapalabas sa integral sign. How about yung x? Di ba yung, ano natin dito, this becomes x. Ano yung dl ulit? R d theta. So yung r constant mapalabas. Yung x hindi yan constant, hindi mapalabas. So dapat in terms of theta din natin to. Now, ano yung relationships natin dito? An x ma-convert natin into theta. So kung titingnan mo dito, this line here, ayan, and then ito. If this angle here is theta, and this one here is our x, kung makikita nyo dito, if this hypotenuse here is our r, therefore x here is just r cosine theta. Okay? Gets, no? So, r cosine theta. So, i-substitute lang natin dito. Integral of, dalawa na yung r, no? So, magiging r squared. Pwede natin yung mapalabas. R squared integral of cosine theta d theta. Now, ma-integrate na hindi? Ma-integrate na. Ano yung theta natin? From negative alpha to alpha. So, ano yung integral of cosine theta? Sin theta. So, we have r squared sin theta evaluated from negative alpha to alpha. So, we have r squared sin negative alpha minus sine, wait lang. Alpha pala to. Minus sine negative alpha. So, ayan lang. So, yung sign natin, no? Yung sign, pwede natin ito mapalabas, no? So, tanggalin natin itong negative dito. This becomes positive, no? So, sin alpha plus sin alpha, that is equal to 2r squared sin alpha. This is our integral of x dl. So, ayan. So, pwede na natin ito masolve, no? So, x bar is just equal to integral of x dl over L, which is equal to 2r squared sin alpha over 2r alpha. So, cancel, 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 cancel. This becomes, yung x natin, x bar is r sin alpha over alpha. So, ayan lang. No?